Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm just going to show you guys how to cook Edikaikong soup using ugu leaf and water leaf to make the soup. If today is your first time, please subscribe, share and like. This is meat. I like using goat meat. It's already washed, proper washed. Then I have my ugu leaf here. It's washed, cut little, cut it small. Then I have my water leaf here, which is properly washed as well, and I cut it just little. I have my crayfish here, dry one, fresh pepper, a yellow and red. This is a pomo. I've already cut it, and I slice the onion one. Then I have salt here, 2 cubes of Maggi. Then I have starfish here, and I have my dry fish, which I'm going to use today. You can use any other meat to cook. You know, any meat of your choice to cook this Edikaikong. It must not be goat meat alone. You can use whatever you want to cook it, and it will still come out well. Okay, and this is palm oil. I'm just going to take 2 spoons of this palm oil because I don't actually like oil in my food. You can add as much as you want if you are cooking it. Then I have my seasoning, just to put a little in my meat. So let's get started. I'm just going to put the meat to boil. In this stage, you don't need much water in the soup, and I'm going to add my seasoning. That's little seasoning. Just stirring it. Because one characteristic of this soup, it doesn't need much water. Add little water to it, then just boil to boil. Okay, at this stage, you can see the meat. The water is almost dry. This is the starfish and the cow, the momo and the starfish and the goat meat. So at this particular time, I'm just going to put the blended pepper in the meat. I don't want to put much water because the soup does not need much water. Just going to keep on stirring it for a while. As you can see, keep on stirring it. Add little salt to it, and just put 1 Maggi cube. Because I've already put salt before to boil the meat, so I just put a little Maggi cube. Leave it for a while to just boil. At this stage, I just want to add the dry fish. the soup I'm cooking is just little soup for about 3 people to 4 people. So I'm just going to put the oil. As I said before, guys, I don't like too much oil. Right. Always put the oil first so that the oil will be cooked. The oil will cook properly before adding your vegetable. You know, so that the smell, we will get rid of this. When the oil is done, the smell, we will get rid of the smell of the palm oil. So put the oil first before the vegetable. Don't put the vegetable first before the oil, because the vegetable will be very soft and it will not look nice. So as you can see, there's no water here. So at this stage, I'm just going to leave it for a minute. I'm just going to add the water leaf. I'm just using a very small pot, so I have to just let it go inside properly. This time around, I don't want to use big pots. I'm just doing a little soup. It's really difficult when you are using a small pot. I like using my big pot, so it's okay. At this stage now, I'm just going to add the ugu leaf now. Okay, as you can see now, I just put the pepper I cut inside here, because I like the pepper to be showing inside the soup. So as you can see, I'm just going to stir this soup. As it's boiling over, it's getting ready gradually. See, I'm just going to leave it for another 5 minutes. Then it's ready. Yes, Edikaikong soup is ready, guys. I'm so hungry. I just want to go and eat now. You can try it and tell me what you think. Thank you. Bye.